So this time not only am I doing it blindfolded, but I'm going to do it against a 10-minute clock. This is also S30V. That is insanely dull. This is my Spyderco Native. Blindfolded on. I'm hoping to have it edge tested within the time. And I'll feel out for my 1000 this time. Let me pull that blindfold down. Okay, where are we to? Let's get it done in 10 minutes blindfolded. Let's see. Now this edge actually wasn't too bad. I just took the edge back out of it on some sandpaper. Some 1500 grit sandpaper, just went orthogonal across the edge and took the edge off of it. If you want to compare this to my last video, S30V is much tougher than VG10. But this is my second run in a few minutes doing it blindfolded. I figured I'd make the time just to try to redeem myself, so you guys will believe me. I can feel the edges coming along well. Back near the heel of the blade I can feel it's not quite up to par. Okay, let's get my piece of board here. Draw through the edge once or twice. Take a feel. Okay, we're doing good. A few strokes into the edge. I tell you, this Woodstock 1000 cuts fast. You want a good stone? May not have diamond speed, but it's a great stone. Even ask Ray Bartlett. We did some comparison to his King stone, same grit 1000, and this Woodstock just does a great job. Okay, I guess, okay, here we found some piece of towel. Feels good. Let's switch over to that 6000 side. I sure hope we don't run out of time. If we do, then I'll have done this for nothing. Just work on refining that edge, polishing out that 1000 finish. Make sure to get right to that tip. I'm angling my edge up just enough so that I can feel a slight resistance of the edge digging into the stone. And I back off just the slightest touch. Okay. How does that feel? Feels pretty decent. Okay, a few strokes into the edge. Ooh, I feel like I'm racing time. Okay, get rid of some of that water and residue. Here we are. 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure I don't come back into my thumb. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2. Some pretty sloppy strokes there. Where's my edge? 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, we're doing good. We're only at 5 minutes or so. Battery's running down though. Here's the moment. Oh yes. S30V from brutally dull to razor sharp in 5 minutes. I see we have a little bit of pulling there near the heel. It's sharper up near the toe. But I think that is a good EDC edge there now. That's a beautiful knife. Focus. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Hit the like button if you did. Comment down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. This is Blindfolded, full uncut sharpening. Tell your friends about it. Share the video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.